It's been another record season for the Ffestiniog Railway. With another 6 weeks to go before the season ends, the railway is already 32% up in passengers and over 60% up in takings. But for the next few days, the Territorial Army Volunteer Reserve has taken over the running of this small railway. The 275 Railway Squadron from Grange Camp, Bedford, basically consists of professional railwaymen. And like the railways themselves, the unit has also suffered from the axe. Similar units could once muster 900 men. Today, its strength is just over 100. It is the only railway squadron unit left out of several railway regiments. As the Sergeant Major here told me, we've had a beating done on us. The officer commanding is Major Foster Bedworth, himself a former railwayman with many years of experience. Major, what are you doing here at Ffestiniog Railway?
Well, we are in fact doing three tasks. Our operating troops are running the trains, providing the drivers, the firemen, the signalmen and so on. Our permanent way troop of Royal Engineers are doing some relaying work in a local goods yard, and our workshop troop, who are REME craftsmen, are helping to rebuild a diesel locomotive.
Now, with your experience, I suppose the unit would never have dreamed at one time of taking over such a small railway.
Oh, I wouldn't agree with you, Mr. Owen. In fact, once upon a time, we were geared to take over any sort of railway in any part of the world, and a narrow gauge railway such as this could well have formed the means of communication in a particular theatre, and we would have been required to run it.
What are your impressions as a professional railwayman?
As a professional railwayman, I'm very impressed with the Ffestiniog Railway. It is run in a most business-like manner by people who are very competent railway operators. It is run, in fact, if I might steal an expression from the general manager, not as so many people think by railway enthusiasts, but by enthusiastic railwaymen. And this, to those who know railways, will know that this is the best compliment that any railwayman can pay to another one.
Finally, I've always wanted to ask a professional railwayman what his opinion is of the respective merits of steam and diesel.
Well, as a professional railwayman, there is no doubt about it that diesel is far more efficient. But of course, most railwaymen are also railway enthusiasts, and here we very much regret the passing of steam. I think all boys want to grow up to be an engine driver, and a steam engine driver, of course, at that, with the smell of steam and oil in the nostrils. We have been delighted to have this opportunity during this fortnight of recapturing these days and of ourselves becoming engine drivers.
Major Bedworth, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Owen.